Path to PR. It's very simple. You have experience, you have passed the examination, but many are rejected. One mistake in your skill assessment that kills many applications. Thousands of pharmacists dream of a life in Australia each year. You have experience, you have passed the examination, but many are rejected. And trust me, it's not your qualification. It's that one mistake in your skill assessment that kills many applications. And today I'm going to show you what that mistake is and how you can fix it. Path to PR seems very simple. It's very simple. Just pass the examination, complete your skill assessment with Australian Pharmacy Council or the APC. But here is where most people fail. You get a negative outcome and dream stops dead. But why? Even top pharmacists assume that being great at their job is enough. That's why they submit a basic reference letter and expect APC or Australian Pharmacy Council connect the dots. But APC isn't just ticking a box. It needs specific proof that you meet their standards. Without it, you fail. And here is your number one mistake. You submit a basic work reference that does not prove that you meet Australia's national competency standards for pharmacists. And here is this letter that says, Sarah has worked here for 5 years. She has dispensed medicines. This is useless because it says that you have work experience but does not prove your competence. But don't panic. Here is the good news. You can completely avoid this mistake. All you gotta do is follow these simple steps. Step 1. Understand the standards required for Australian pharmacists. Yes, go through the website, download the standards available there and read it carefully. Step 2, map your competencies. List the key standards from the framework next to each other and mention your career examples that literally proves it. Don't just say counseled patient. Instead, you can mention you have developed a visual medication chart for elderly patient, improving adherence by 25%. One is a task and the other one is proof. Step 3, guide your referee. Yes, share this competency map with your referees and ask them that the reference letter must include these specific evidence-based examples. This makes their jobs easy and your application bulletproof. And always keep this in mind that the rejection isn't about your talent, it's about your documentation. You have the skills and now you have the strategies to prove it. And don't let a paper error to deny your dreams. And to book an expert review for your application, you can click into the description to book a consultation now. If you found this video helpful, like this video, share this video, subscribe to Allied Expertise for more such updates. And yes, if you have any question, you can comment down in the comment section and one of our admin managers will try to reach out to you. Hit the bell icon so that you don't miss latest updates on this channel. And yes, the future in Australia is waiting for you.